We're out here at Carroll Prairie today. We're working with the Conservation Corps of Iowa, doing some tree cutting and brush cutting. So we're targeting undesired and invasive tree and shrub species. So yeah, in Story County, we have about 3,500 acres of land to manage. It's very labor intensive. We simply don't have the staff and people power to accomplish the work we need to accomplish on a given year. So having Conservation Corps as a tool, which is a non-profit conservation organization, to contract out to help us out and do this work is amazing. So we're managing Carroll Prairie as a prairie ecosystem. So historically there wouldn't have been any of these trees or shrubs here. With the historic fire regime that would have ran across Iowa's landscape.